Owls, Birds of Prey. By Nathan Summer. There's a table of contents. It shows where the different sections start on which page. Silent attack. The barn owl waits on a tree stump next to a field. Not a sound is heard in the pitch dark night. The owl turns its flexible neck back and forth. It is time to look for a meal. The owl hears a mouse scurrying across the field. The hungry predator quietly drops from its perch. The owl's wings make no sound in the air. Its silent flight takes its prey by surprise. What are owls? Owls are birds of prey found around the world. They have short tails and rounded wings. These predators have flat faces and large rounded eyes. The biggest owls can stand up to 2.5 feet tall. This is a Eurasian owl. Here's a great gray owl. And the sidebar over here says prehistoric birds. Owls have been on Earth a lot longer than humans. Their fossils date back to 65 million years ago. Owls live in many habitats. They do not build nests. Instead, they steal holes and nests made by other animals. Owls often communicate with one another. Many species have their own special chirps and songs. Here's a spotted owlet. Over here it says types of owls. Barn owl, snowy owl, great gray owl, barred owl. Hunting in the dark. These carnivores are mostly nocturnal. They hunt at night. Some owls are more active at dawn and dusk. Smaller species like elf owls munch on bugs. Larger species eat rodents. Eagle owls can take down foxes. So that must be an eagle owl. Here's a Blakiston's fish owl. Owl versus owl. Larger owls often hunt smaller owls. Great horned owls are the barred owl's most common predator. Barred owls, in turn, eat smaller screech owls. Most owls hunt from branches, stumps, or rooftops. Others fly silently over fields to surprise prey below. The birds swoop down quickly with their open wings. They attack prey with their outstretched, pointed talons. Here's a little owl. This shows the talons. Over here, the sidebar says, quick eaters. Owls swallow most prey whole. Then they throw up the parts they cannot use. Fur, feathers, and bones come back out as a brown pellet. Many adaptations help owls hunt in darkness. Flat faces funnel sound to their ears. This helps them track down noises. The bird's eyes are shaped like tubes instead of spheres. Their eyes remain stuck in one place. Their flexible necks help them to look around. Hearing it all. Nothing gets past owls. Some can hear a mouse stepping on a twig 75 feet away. Owls also have special feathers on their wings. These make the birds silent in flight. Talons spread out as owls make a catch. Prey rarely escapes these silent predators. Here's a barred owl. and a snowy owl. Great horned owl profile. Let's see, red list status, least concern as far as going extinct. Average lifespan, about 13 years. Greatest hunting tools, silent flight and excellent hearing. Wingspan, up to 4.8 feet. Top speed, 40 miles per hour. And here's the great horned owl range map. So the great horned owl range is the yellow. So you can see it's most of the United States and Canada and Mexico and parts of South America. And their prey are skunks, rabbits, chipmunks, and bats. Okay, here's a glossary, which is like a little mini dictionary that can define some of the words in here, like adaptations, which are changes in animals over time that make them better able to hunt and survive, or habitats, the homes or areas where animals prefer to live. Here's a page where to give you some ideas of where you can look to learn more. Some books from the library or on the web. And then, of course, there's an index at the end, which there often is in nonfiction books. So if there's any particular word you want to learn more about, it'll tell you what page to look back on. Owls, birds of prey.